Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search for used cars in the CarWale app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the CarWale app, and on the bottom in the menu bar you can see new, used, compare news and price. You have to tap on used. And here are the used cars. For example, you have to choose the city from where would you like to view cars. Let's say from here, the price, and tap on find cars. And here you will see the offers, the suggestions, and from here you can select. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.